So when you get to the end of setting up, running these first initial commands for GVM, otherwise known as OpenVAS, you're going to see a password. This is your password, and I'm not going to use this VM, so you can't use this one, but this is not going to show up anywhere else. So you need to essentially take this, cut it out, create an empty file, GVM password. There you go. So that way, when we go ahead and run GVM, this is how we're going to be able to log in. We've run the GVM install, setup, we've upgraded our VM. Now let's give the GVM a shot. So it's going to start up and it should open up our web browser. Accept and continue. And here we are at GVM's login portal. Let's take out that password that that is kind of hard to miss, or kind of easy to miss, but you really don't want to. You really want to pay attention at the end and get that password. That way we can just now we are in. And that's it. That's how to install OpenVAS